Want to train and practice before hitting the slopes? Here we are in Chengdu Jianfeng Dry Ski Four-Season Ski Resort in Chengdu, southwest of China. The freestyle skiing golden medalist Gu Eiling had trained here for a week just before the Olympic Games. Well, let's take a run and discover the champion's secret weapon.
With Gu Eiling's historic gold at the Beijing 2022 Olympics women's freestyle ski competition and Su Yiming's silver in the men's slopestyle final, a dry ski slope training field in Chengdu has come under the spotlight. The dry ski slope uses China's homegrown dry ski technology dubbed needle mushroom. It is made up of a special plastic material with soybean-like beads on the surface. The man-made slope is 90% similar to real snow and won't be affected by seasonal factors. Last year, 8 Chinese national teams consisting of over 70 athletes trained here.